Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Frontier Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the flight status button at the bottom of the page. So first you can set if you want to see flight status for today or tomorrow, and then you can set the departure airport. And also you can select the arrival airport, but as you can see, if you only choose the departure airport, you will be able to see all the available flights and their status. So if you scroll down and you find the one that you're interested in, then just click on the get status button and you will see that if it's on time or if it's delayed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.